Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If you're having trouble logging into Citizen mobile banking, don't worry. I will walk you through how to fix the issue so you can get access your account again. So let's get started. First, you need to double check your username and password. Typos happen, so make sure everything is entered correctly. If you have forgotten your login details, use the forget password option on the login page. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. And if you are on mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi or vice versa. A poor connection could be the reason you can't log in. Sometimes, an outdated app version can cause login issues. So go to the App Store on your device, check for any updates to the Citizen mobile banking app, and install the latest version. So if the issue still persists, try clearing the app's cache and data. Go to your phone's settings, find the Citizen app, and select Clear Cache. This can fix any temporary bugs causing login problems. And that is how you fix login issues on the Citizen mobile banking app. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.